I will also tell you about the COVID test, your 10th day COVID test that you need to do at your home and at your 11 days quarantine place, and also that you need to do at airport, at Canadian airport. So now talking about the COVID reports. So when you board from India, especially from Delhi airport, so your report should not be 72 hours older. So in my India to Canada vlog, I have explained you like there only at airport you can have your COVID test without any problem. You can also see that vlog. Okay, so this is the one thing. When you board from India, at that time your report should not be 72 hours older. When you land at Canada, that is not an issue. Now when you land at Canada, so there is a website you can even register before reaching Canada at your home only, and you can register after reaching Canada also. So the website name is www.switchhealth.ca. In this website you need to register yourself for the COVID test that you need to do at Canadian airport. So if you register yourself before and at your home only, you do not need to be in line at Canadian airport for your COVID test thing. You can go straight away. Otherwise, if you are doing at Canadian airport, then you need to be in a line, and there you need to register yourself, and as soon as you got registered, then you need to go for your COVID test thing. Don't worry, it doesn't take long time. In India, they put that bird thing in your nose and your mouth also, but in Canada they do not put that in your mouth. They just do it in your nose only, and it will not take a long time. Hardly it will take 3 or 4 minutes. That's it, not more than that. The COVID testing thing, I'm not talking about the line on which you need to be for that registration thing. That would take a little time. So you can visit on switchhealth.ca website and you can register yourself over there. I can also provide the link below in the description box, so you can check that link below from there also and can register yourself from there. This is my home screen and currently time हो चुका है 6 AM of EST, it's Eastern time, and you can see that the home test kit is currently will be available from 6 AM to 9:30 PM. So I have opened this portal switchhealth.ca and the time is now exactly 6 AM. So let me just give it a refresh. It is still not started. It might take some time. Before that, I would like to tell you the things that you need to do. So you need to open your COVID kit that you have got on the airport. So this is your COVID kit that you must have got on your airport. So you need to open it up, and this is the instructions that you need to follow up. So the first instruction is activating your kit. So you need to do by visiting the portal.switchhealth.ca. And yes, now this bar is gone, and now it's available now. At home test kit, it is now available, so we need to continue it. It is asking for the 9-digit barcode, so you need to provide it by opening this. Okay, so you need to open this thing, and then again you need to open it. You need to collect this wire, and here you will get this 9-digit number over here. Let me just write it down. After filling this number, you will ask like that, it is first test or second test. Then you need to click on the second test and you need to continue it. Test in English, and yes, start the test now. So here is your screen, and there are currently 38 people waiting before me, and the nurse will join the call as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. Let me now wait it patiently. The time right now is 6:20 AM and still there are 27 people ahead of me who are waiting in the line. Just a precaution, do not open this while or this plastic bag that contains the swab. Do not open any other thing in the kit. You just need to remove this vial from your kit and take this number which is written on this vial. That's it. You do not need to do anything else. Do not open anything. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Okay, let's get started. Can I have your full name, please?
Divya Sahu. DIVYASAHU.
Thank you. And what's your birthday? Thank you. And can you show me an ID or a passport? Okay.
Okay, please. You can see.
Yep. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so started. Take out the tube that looks like this.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, and show me the numbers. 2, 4, 6, 3, 7, 4. Awesome. Okay, perfect. Now look for the sticker that looks like this.
Yes.
Write your name and birth date there.
Okay. Is there any particular direction where I need to write it?
Write it like horizontally.
Okay, just like name and my birth date.
Start with the year and then month, date.
Okay.
Perfect. So stick it under the serial number that you just showed me.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Now look for the package that looks like this. Yeah. Take that out.
Okay.
Yep. And open it, but make sure you don't touch the bristles, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Now, and you have to insert this entire bristle into your nose, okay? It's gonna be 15 seconds on each side. I have a timer here, so whenever you're ready, you can go.
Okay, I am ready.
Okay, get started. Okay, and switch to the other side. Three, two, one. Okay, all done. Okay, so break that in half.
Okay.
Yep, and then put it inside the red tube.
Inside the red tube. Okay.
Yeah, the one that you were holding earlier.
Inside, or like the Brazil will be inside,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, leave it inside.
Okay.
And then close the lid tightly. And then look for the bag that looks like this. And put it inside.
This one?
No, it should be like this.
Okay.
Yellow or red.
Yeah, got it.
Yep. And then there is a tissue piece that looks like this. Put it inside the bag as well.
Yes. What do I need to do?
Yeah, put it inside the bag.
Okay.
And then seal it.
Yes.
And put it inside the empty blue box.
Okay.
And then you can close the box once it's there.
Okay.
And there should be a sticker that looks like this.
Yes.
Peel it off.
Yes.
Yep, and use it to seal the box here.
Okay. Okay. Done.
All done? Okay. And then go ahead and sanitize your hands.
Okay.
red bag.
Yes.
Put the box inside.
Okay.
Okay, and then peel the sticker off.
Okay.
And then fold it like this.
Okay.
And there should be a big yellow sticker like this.
Yes.
Yep. Stick it at the back side.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes. Perfect. And look for the swab.
Yes.
Use that to wipe around the bag, but make sure you don't wipe over the sticker, okay?
Okay.
All done? Okay. So your test is now complete. 1 second. Sorry. So once I exit out of this call, I will mark the test as complete, and it will bring you to the website where you can schedule a pickup with Puro later. So they will come to your house, okay? All you have to do is leave it outside the door an hour before they get there, okay? While you're waiting to get it picked up, keep it inside the fridge,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, all right. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
So yes, do not open any other thing. You just need to collect your vial from that envelope or whatsoever, that kit, and they will tell you to open it in front of you, and only then you need to open it. And one thing, remember, don't keep your passport with you because they will ask for the identity proof. I didn't keep it with me, so it took 1 minute extra for me. And now the test is completed, and now let me take you to my computer screen again. So this is now the nurse has verified your test, and now we need to select a time, search your address. So let me put my address. So these are the pickup times that I got, 5, 6 and 7. So I'm taking on April 5, and drop off locations will be there. Okay, now I need to check it, 13 kilometers away. And then we need to continue. Should be in a private vehicle. If you are with others in the vehicle, everyone should be to put a gas in your car. You should only stop at a gas station. Please make sure you drop off as soon as possible. Okay, got it, and that's it. We are done with our step, and yeah, now we need to wait it. After completion of your test, you need to put your kit in the refrigerator. So I'm going to put my package in the refrigerator until the pickup time. Yes, here I am, and here I'm going to put it like that only. It's all set, and I have some garbage to throw also. Yeah, this bags. Yeah. So all done. Now we need to wait until 5th of April. Till then, if you like this video, then please hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Tada!